Welcome to Seed to Life. Many of you have asked me about a recipe of cluster beans, and here is one very simple and easy to make. We are going to start with a tablespoon of oil, and we are going to heat it up and then add a pinch of asafoetida. Asafoetida is optional because it has a strong flavor and it is added in various Indian recipes. I added mustard seeds, turmeric, and chili powder, and then I added a few cloves of garlic. They were chopped, or you can crush them and add them to the oil and saute these spices together in the oil. Next, I'm adding some chopped onions, and if you don't like onions, then you can just skip this part too. It depends on your preferences, because I know some people they don't eat garlic and onions, so they can skip this part. Onions are now caramelized and they are turning brown, and at this time you can add the chopped clean cluster bean pods. You can add them as a whole pods, or you can chop them up in smaller pieces depending on your preferences again. And you have to remove the ends and the side threads on these pods so they are not very chewy. Next, I'm adding some chopped potatoes. Potatoes taste really good with cluster beans, and I have cut them into smaller pieces so they cook at the same time when the pods cook. And just mix all these things up together and let them cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. You don't have to add water, you just cover it up with lid and keep mixing it every 5 minutes. You can add more spice powder if you want, and this is a mixed spice powder that I have made at home. It is a mixture of chilies and many other spices, Indian spices. I have also added some salt, and just mix it up well, and then just cover it up, let it cook. These are homegrown cluster bean pods, and I harvested them when they were young, not when they were overly fibrous. So they cooked very fast, like in 10 minutes my vegetable was ready. And you can eat it just like this, but if you want to enhance the flavor, then you can add some peanut powder to it. So this is a peanut powder made at home using the roasted peanuts. So I roast the peanuts at home and then make the powder, and we use it in various vegetables. You can add it to different types of vegetables, and just to enhance the flavor. You can eat this vegetable with either rotis or naan or dal rice, and it tastes really good. This is only one recipe, and you can make many other recipes using different ingredients, and I will share them in my future videos. A big thanks to you for watching my videos and supporting my channel Seed to Life. Please click subscribe for more such videos and updates. Click the bell icon to get notified about future videos, and feel free to reach out to me through comments, Facebook, Twitter or Instagram if you have any questions. I am posting the links in the description. I would love to hear your suggestions and would like to know the news of your garden. Happy gardening. Thank you again. See you soon.